This recipe comes straight from the back of a Great Value pasta box, and today I'm making it exactly as written to find out if it's actually worth your time. Most people probably walk right past this in the grocery store and never even give it a second thought. This is the recipe we're working with. Feel free to pause if you're following along. Now we're going to bring some water to a boil and add in your bow tie pasta. Don't forget to sprinkle your salt. Give it a good mix and stir occasionally while it's cooking. Once the pasta's done, keep some of that pasta water for later. Next, we're going to cut up and cook 1 pound of bacon, however you like it. While the bacon's cooking, we're going to dice 1 whole onion. The bacon's done. Now we're going to transfer it to a bowl and keep 1 tablespoon of the grease in the pot to cook the onions. And your diced onions with the 1 tablespoon of reserved bacon grease. Once the onions are done, give it a quick stir and add in your frozen peas. 1 jar of Alfredo sauce is what the recipe says, but I'd probably add a little bit more when I make it again. With the bacon Alfredo cooking, we're going to make a quick tomato salad. We're going to dice an English cucumber into small pieces. After the cucumber, we'll cut up a tomato. If you want a quick tip, make sure you cut the middle section out of the tomato so it doesn't water down the tomato salad. After, give it a dice. Finally, we'll dice an onion and add that to the tomato salad. Bet you guys didn't know my house is haunted. It's one of my grandkids trying to get into the video. Tomato salad is complete. Back to the bacon Alfredo. The Alfredo is starting to bubble, so add in the bacon, and after that, add in 2 cups of shredded Parmesan. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper. We're almost done. Add in your pasta and stir very well. Remember that pasta water. If it's a little thick, pour a little bit in and give it a stir. Now we're going to put it in our pretty pasta bowl and we're ready to serve. So there you have it, our easy bacon Alfredo box mix. Let's give it a try. That's really good. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. So is it really worth it? I'd say yes. Thanks for watching.